Which of these is not a valid Linux or Windows command to erase files? Let's go over a possible answer here. So we have rm, which means remove, we have del, which is delete, we have mv, which is move, and cp, which is copy. So which of the four is not valid? Well, rm is in Linux, okay? And Linux, rm, and then if you have a file after that, it means remove this file. So it's used to remove files or directories in Linux. Next we have del, or delete, and this is used in Windows, and it's used to delete files. So if you have del file name, deleting that file name, pretty much it. And then we have mv. Well, what is mv? mv is used in Linux as well. So Linux typically has short, at least from like what I've been studying, what I've been looking at, Linux has shorter little prompts before any kind of switches or commands. So that's like general. That might not be completely true, so take that with a grain of salt. But mv, like rm, is a Linux command, and mv is used to move or rename files. But you need to be careful, because if you move a file, like let's say in this directory, if you move this file to this other directory, and this other directory already has a file with that name in it, this move command will overwrite that file. So you gotta be careful with that. And then cp is just for copying. If you copy something, you're not gonna erase any files, you're not gonna overwrite. So yeah, not used to erase files. So cp is not a valid Linux or Windows command to erase files, it's copying, whereas remove, delete, and move will erase files.